Hello guys. So in this tutorial, I told you that we are going to learn CSS. So this is the second video for our CSS tutorial. So in this tutorial, I will show you that the way to insert CSS into HTML file. So basically, there are three ways. First one is external style sheet, and second one is internal style sheet, and third one is inline style sheet. So I will show you first inline style sheet. So how we can put CSS code in HTML files. So just be with me. Be with me. I will show you. So I already created a HTML file. So what I have to do is like just put a style into P, which is a tag, paragraph tag. So within a paragraph tag, we just entered color and whatever the color you want to choose, you will just have to put it there. So like just enter it and save it. So we have created a inline style sheet. So we have put it a code into HTML file, and I will show you that how it will look. So as you see there, the code, the, the paragraph color has been changed to blue, and this is the first inline style sheet. So the second one, which is internal style sheet, uh, I will show you internal style sheet. So just we need to go back to the HTML file. So this or HTML file. So what I will do is I will delete this. I will just delete this line, and I just need to style. I just need to style tag in between head. Sorry. In this style tag, first we have to create a main for class which class equal to main. I'm just putting a name of that class. So if you want to change it, just change it. It's not a mandatory to do a class name, just like what I did. So I just put main class. Inside that main, I need to change the color of the background of that text. So this is the background. So I will put blue color like this. So I will just save it. As you see, the color is sorry. The colors, uh, color of that paragraph has been changed. So this is the second way of the putting the CSS file into HTML. So as we have learned, or two way of putting the CSS code into HTML. So I will show you third way, which is external style sheet. In that, in this way, we need to create a one more file, which is type of CSS. So I will create one more file. So basically, I don't have to write any code in that. So first, I need to create a main class we have created previously for the internal style sheet. So I will create a one class main. So I'll just save it and go back to our CSS. So I need to save it that file first. style dot css, right? In that css file, just I will put in the class name. Inside the class, I will again change the color of the text, paragraph text. So in this time I will going with red color like this. Just save it. I need to mention the style path, which is HTML CSS. First I will confirm it. Okay. So I did one mistake in HTML file as well as CSS. I just changed it. First one I just changed it this main class, just class name. I save it and I will show you that how it will look like this. It already changed. So this is the third way of CSS and external CSS style sheet. So this is all. Thank you for watching it.